Hello everyone, you are here on your favorite story channel, Colorful Story Mind. And I bring stories from India and outside. Today I decided to bring a story from India by an inspirational figure, Mahatma Gandhi, that is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, also known as Bapu, father of nation. I'll give you a brief background about him. He was born on 2nd October 1869 and died on 30th January 1948. He was an inspiration to India because he tried to unite India when Britishers came and they were trying to fragment India, plunge India. He brought everyone together and fought against these Britishers through non-violence. That is, he didn't want people to kill or bring any bloodshed, but every demand was to be fulfilled peacefully. He even was against untouchability and coined Harijan, that is children of God. He was wanted Swaraj as well as self-rule, and whatever India produced, we should use that and not what Britishers are bringing in. So there were many movements that he brought in only and sacrificed his life for happiness of Indians. The best quality that today I want to tell you, and stories also related to that, is that Bapu didn't only preach or asked people to follow without following himself. He followed without following the ideas he believed in. So actually, before asking anyone to follow, he followed those ideas and those preachings first by himself, and then only advised others. So today there is a beautiful small story about a mother and a child. So let's listen to this story. So there was a mother. Bapu was very famous everywhere, and people came to take his advice to be a good human and follow something good and be sincere and become a person who can fight for human right, for people's right, for something that is right. So one day what happened, a mother came to Bapu and she was really worried for her child because her child used to eat a whole lot of an excess of jaggery. Now, what is jaggery? Jaggery is good. So this was her son, and he used to eat a lot of jaggery. And anything that we eat in excess, or anything that we do in fact in excess, is going to harm us in any way. So mother knew this, and she came to Bapu saying that, my child eats a whole lot of jaggery, excess of jaggery, and I'm really worried for him. So Bapu said, okay, just wait for some time. Bapu said, I have a solution for your problem. Just wait for a week. So the woman said, okay, as Bapu said, and she returned home. Next week again she returned, also worried, and said, Bapu, still my child has not stopped eating jaggery and he's still eating. I'm so worried. It's going to affect his health. Bapu said, yes, mother, just be a bit more patient and come next week. So again, mother just held her things. She was a bit angry, but still she returned home and waited. But she found no improvement in her child. She again returned and said, Bapu, please find a solution. Please tell something to my son. He's still eating and has not stopped eating jaggery. And Bapu again asked her to return and wait for some more time. And in this way 4 weeks went up. So the 4th week she returned and all frustrated, she said, Bapu, and she inquired, Bapu, why are you continuously sending me again and again, and not telling a solution, or not telling any solution? And in fact, my son is still eating jaggery. Please ask him not to eat. And then Bapu said, yes, call your son and I'll tell him not to eat jaggery. Now mother was really happy. Finally Bapu has heard her sadness. There's something that she wanted, and he just asked the son. He said, dear son, your mother is right. Please don't eat a lot of jaggery, excess of jaggery, or don't do anything in excess, because anything that you will do in excess is going to harm you. You have to be a good citizen. Young people are the backbone of any nation. You have to become a big and successful and good person as a good human. And he said this much, and just said, son, don't eat jaggery. And so the mother was so surprised and told Bapu, you have to say only this much to my son, don't eat jaggery? Only to say this much? You asked me to wait for 4 weeks? And Bapu with a smile said, my dear mother, I don't preach things that I don't do, and I had asked your son to stop eating jaggery when I myself used to eat, and that also in excess. So it took really 4 weeks for me to stop eating jaggery, and then only after this time I today asked your son not to eat excess of jaggery, as it is not good for health. So here we see like Bapu proves that anything even is his favorite and not good and has to be preached to anyone, he is first going to follow that himself, and then only ask anyone else not to do that. So here I end with this story, this small but informative story, and that is, don't say or do anything or ask others to do until unless you yourself have not done that. So I hope it was an informative and cute little story about a famous but inspiring figure, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. For now, I'll take your leave and come up with some other interesting facts about these famous figures who have inspired us for years and years. So keep watching my channel and Story Colorful Story Mind. Bye. Take care.